Okay, so hello guys, as promised I'll be teaching you how to host your static website on your GitHub pages. So here's a sample code I just wrote just to show you how it's done. So I just host it on my local server just to show you what it looks like. So this is my web page. This is how it looks like. I hosted it on my local server just to show you. So right now only I can see this web page. Okay, so in order for you guys to see it, I should actually host it on some public server. Okay, for you guys to see it. So right now only I can see it. So that's where GitHub comes into play. So GitHub actually allows you to host your static website for free. Okay, so that's why I told you to create your GitHub account. So what I want you guys to do is go to new to create a new repository and give a repository name. I'm just giving it storybook. A description is optional, and I'll just give it storybook. Okay, I think that's I'll just give story. A description is optional, and don't forget to make it public. It's already on public, so don't change anything. Just add a readme, that's optional too, but just add it, and then create a repository. And it's creating a new repository. So right now I reached my repository called story. So this is how it looks like when it's blank. So I want you guys to, so right now what we have to do is add our .html and .css files. Okay, so for that go to add file and upload file. Okay, and I'll reach this page, and we choose your files. And so right now I already reached my storybook file or folder, but you guys may not be in the same folder, so you guys might have to navigate. So it's in my documents tab and storybook, and I reached this, and the index.html file and the css file I have to upload both of them. So I select both of them and choose open, and right now you can see it's being uploaded, and it's I can commit changes there. Okay, so it's processing, and yes, right now I added my index.html and story.css files into my repository. Okay, so that's step one, and step two is to activate GitHub pages. So what I want you guys to do is go to settings. All right, so and scroll down, and you can see GitHub pages. Okay, GitHub pages is designed to host your personal, organization, or project pages from a GitHub repository. Okay, that's exactly what we will be doing, and they allow it to do as for free. Okay, so you choose master branch, just choose master branch, and don't change anything, and just press save. All right, so right now you can see GitHub pages so saved, and if you scroll down, you can actually see your site is ready to be published at https://github.io/story. Okay, so press that, and voila, you can see that my website is being published over here. So, and yes, you have successfully hosted your static website on GitHub pages. And what I want you guys to do is I want you guys to copy this link address and go to the Google form I have given you guys and paste it over here. All right, paste it. And just fill out your information and just press submit. That's it.